Hello, and welcome back to Sweet Nature Vibes. We're going to talk about blue jays today. I had to make a video about these birds because they are so interesting. So let's get into it. The first cool fact. The blue jay isn't really blue. You're no longer just making up the color in your head. There's a scientific explanation for why they're blue. The blue jay's feathers have a color called melanin, which is why their feathers are brown. A brown jay? Why do their feathers look blue? Well, the blue color is caused by light scattering through the feather barbs. So, all colors pass through except for blue. The blue light will then bounce back to your eyes, making a blue jay's feathers look blue instead of brown. If you don't believe me, find a blue jay feather and crush it. The powder will be brown, since the pigment makes it that color, but if you crush a cardinal feather, it would still say red since the color is red. Isn't that pretty cool? The second fact. Blue jays make forests, so acorns are one of their best foods. They gather a lot of acorns and other nuts and seeds to store for the winter. Then the acorns are put somewhere safe. Some of them are never found again or are no longer needed. So, they stay where they were hidden, and the nuts turn into oak trees over time. So, blue jays help grow trees because they spread and plant acorns, which make trees grow. The third fact. Male and female blue jays look exactly the same. Most bird species have different male and female birds. Take the northern cardinal as an example. The males are bright red, while the females are much darker, almost brown. This is called sexual dimorphism and is seen much more gently than sexual monomorphism, which means that the males and females have the same feathers. So, if there is no difference in the way the male and female blue jays look, can you still tell the difference? Well, the answer is kind of yes. If you look closely, there is a small difference in size, with the males' mouths being bigger than the females'. The behavior of a bird during breeding season is also a good way to tell if it is male or female. Blue jays can live for a long time, which is the fourth cool fact. Blue jays can usually live up to 15 years, but the number changes greatly based on their environment. The blue jay with the oldest known age was banded in Newfoundland in 1989. It lived a happy life until 2016 when it was found dead in fishing gear. So, this blue jay must have lived for at least 26 years and 11 months, which is a very long time. That's way too old. The fifth fact. They are not official state birds. Even though these birds are so well known and loved, none of the states in the US have made them their state bird. On the other hand, the northern cardinal is the state bird of a huge 7 states. They are not the state bird of anything in the United States. The blue jay is the official bird of Canada's Prince Edward Island and the province's national bird. The Toronto Blue Jays sports team is also named after blue jays. I mean, that has to be important. Even though blue jays are not a state bird, everyone still loves them. That's all the information I can give you in this video. I hope you learned a lot. As much as I did about how great blue jays are. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, follow, and hit the bell so you know when I post a new one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on Sweet Nature Vibes next time.